Hello YouTube, I have a question for you. On Tuesday night you deleted one of my most popular rope tutorials, tying to a chair. Maybe you're morally opposed to bondage being on your site, but I don't think that's the case, as just a few days ago, Crunchy Nut Cornflakes advertised their product to me using bondage imagery. In the advert, a very attractive man is shown handcuffed and blindfolded in just his underwear, waiting on the, we assume, salacious attentions of his partner. But unfortunately for him, she's too distracted by the beautiful sugary cereal in order to pay him any attention. If you're anything like me, you'll be disgusted by this behaviour. They're not even wearing wedding rings. She's not even got a tray under that bowl of milk. Also, you might be interested to know that the music video S&M by Rhianna, featuring gags, whips, various types of bondage, etc., is on your channel without any age restriction and is fully monetised. Can you see why I'm a little bit confused? But it's okay, because when you deleted my video, you gave me a short snippet showing what I'd done wrong, so I could learn my lesson as to how to modify my content next time. Are you ready to witness some depravity? Please grab yourself some Kleenex. Yes, that was it. If you think I'm going insane, here's the screenshot. I appealed the decision. YouTube came back a few hours later to uphold what they decided. My hard work would remain deleted. As an outcome, this bums me out. I didn't start this channel to make money. I started the channel because I wanted to show how to engage in rope bondage in a risk-aware way. I wasn't interested in being explicit. I wanted to show consent. I wanted to show practical education. But YouTube, I'm not shocked by your unclear communication because we've had similar conversations before. Before I started my channel, I checked and you said that sexuality-based content was allowed if it were educational. Many years later, after you demonetised a load of my videos, I chased you up to see what the issue was. Was there something I can learn from this and to understand what I was doing wrong? Eventually, you came back with the problem. It wasn't clear that my content was educational. So I pointed out the following. All videos have an objective. The videos are clearly labelled as being tutorials. The videos are edited to give clear visual and verbal instructions throughout. We give anatomical advice as to what risks the ties have. The participants are always fully clothed. There is very little dead air in the videos, aka no opportunities to just stare at the model. We pay money to have each video subtitled to make them as legible and as accessible as possible. In the comment section, we answer technical questions that people have about the ties. We encourage a respectful dialogue in our comment section and delete any disrespectful or reductive comments. We don't adopt any roles. Most of the dialogue is either information or banter. And finally, our content is reviewed by medical professionals. You might think that this is a fruitless waste of time, but I disagree. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world. It's where people are getting a lot of their information about life, and what ideas are and aren't acceptable. It's concerning to me that you find the iconography of BDSM acceptable, as long as it's for some edgy aesthetic or a throwaway gag. But videos like mine, which look into how we can make a safe reality of this stuff, aren't acceptable, even though they're considerably more careful with what they show and what they don't show. You're saying that using sex to sell is fine, but educating people about it isn't. This is a problem, because if we don't understand something, how can we consent to it? If we don't know what the risks are, how can we ever be safe? As a result of these selective demonetizations and deletions, people are being pushed out of making content in this space. But we're still exposed to it, even our breakfast cereal adverts aren't safe. So my question to YouTube, or indeed anyone watching, is, are you okay with this?